Okay, here's Goliath and Rita out in the play field together. Goliath! Come here, Bubby. Hi.
Yeah, I wanted to take it off for the video on the trip.
Oh, it's videoing right now.
Oh.
Hey, Bubby. Hi. Come here, Bubby. Come here. Hi. Hi. How are you? Hi. Let's take this off. Okay. There you go. Hey, sweetheart. Hi. Oh, little big boy. Hi, big boy. I know. Up close and personal while you're peeing. And that one's pooping. Happy. And she's happy. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, he's perfect. Very handsome. Checking out the girl. Getting a little too personal with her. Boy, is she patient. A little too personal, yeah. But not aggressive, that's for sure.
Yeah, he's a lover, not a player.
Yeah.